Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalamu ala asyrofil mursalin sayyidina wa Muhammadin ba'du. Okay, all girls and merciful excellency to Dr. Haji Nifudin Madun lagi and Dr. Haji Haratul Dawati MDS Rektor Pesantren Perkam Marim Fidel Honorable My Teacher Junior and Senior High School Fidel Expected by my mom education and for family. Satu sampai Prophet Muhammad SAW. Hi friends, my name is Narul Moromofati from class 8M class Al-Quran Al-Bifdah. Akan saya presentation imagination about little and chalk. Jogging is the first making of the body is the respiratory system. The occur of consing is only an symptom of a disease of the body. Reaction to discord in the respiratory run by various organ object to enter it. Jogging across due to certain stimuli is an early symptom is influenza and asthma. That addition contains is the first way to spread tuberculosis contains and the cause the allergen is the respiratory tract. The allergy and aspect to the simulation from food. Thus animal hair of pollen on flowers simulate and grows point and general in open part of the respiratory tract. Okay, and jogging is divided in access code and chronic choke. A tooth choke is a choke that lasts no more than 3 weeks. More tooth chokes will help on the world. Suppose in count the last for 3 and 8 weeks. Meanwhile, chronic cold is a joint that occurs from one that work 8 weeks. Ways after occurs in smokers. Plum tuberculosis called obstructive pulmonary disease of general form in desert GERD. Most will recover after less import secondly within 2 weeks. If you have a cough that does not import within the time, see a doctor, as a time might be step of the more serious problem. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.